we have a message for our patrinas.
We feel bad about taking your money, so we will be cancelling the patrinas.
Yes, we super appreciate everything you've done so far and like literally bought us a gearbox and along with other things, but going forward we're not going to get many videos out, and we can't in good faith keep taking money every month when we're not making at least one video a month, which we probably won't be. Thank you for all the support so far and for buying us car parts and an entire gearbox.
It's been very helpful, but give it to someone else that deserves it.
Yes, I personally recommend Bad Obsession Motorsport, who does Project Binky, because they are the best thing on YouTube by far. Or You Suck at Cooking. I don't know if he has a patrina, but if he does, support him. We should support him if he has one. Let's look into that. Patrina's name's here for the last time. Ever. Thank you so much.